In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Print Spooler Service Not Running after Windows 11 update here in your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the keyboard and press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you will be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK or the Enter key to continue. So from here, all you need to do is you need to navigate with the selecting of this one, any of this one, and type P in the keyboard and locate with the service name Print Spooler. So once you have find it, please make a right click, go with properties, and this kind of window, select for recovery and go with reset fail count after, change that into 1, as well as restart service after 1 minute. Click on apply and then OK. Once done, close the window, navigate to the file explorer. So how we can do so, here at the bottom search bar, type for explorer. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear. Once it's here, click on open to continue. Now, by the way, you can also press Windows key and E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see this PC, and next to it is your C drive. Tap on it and locate where the Windows file folder, double tapped, and here with the Windows folder, you need to scroll down and locate with System32. So once you find it, double tapped, and here at the System32, you need to locate where the file folder named spool. Okay? So I can see it here, double tap once again, and from here, please select for printers. And if you have seen any of the files or any of the data that is being saved here, just select it and click on this delete icon. In my case, the folder is empty in my case. Okay, the reason why you face an error is that you have data or file being saved or being placed here. So drag it all, select the whole, and click on the delete. Once you have deleted it, close the window. Press Windows key and R key together and bring up the services again by typing services.msc and click on OK. And please select any of the service or system, type P and locate with Print Spooler. Make a right click, go with Properties, go with Recovery, and set it back into 0. Once done, click on Apply. OK. Then navigate to the General, change the startup type into Automatic. Okay, and make sure that the service status is running. So click on Start, click on Apply, and then OK. Once you're good, click on Restart the service at the left side of that and wait until this would be restarted. Once done, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.